Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best electrical outlet covers. Seal-proof 1-gang weatherproof in-use outlet Cove. Durable polycarbonate construction, lockable and easy to install, includes gasket and mounting hardware, fits full-size padlock. Gang can be used horizontally or vertically, with up to 18 configurations, wet or GFCI, duplex, switch, or round. All extra duty compliant, for wet locations, National Electrical Code 406.9, B1. With a patented multi-configuration design, NEC compliant, all file no. MM410C Single Gang Horizontal, Vertical Mount Weatherproof in-use cover. This are easy to use, this is highly durable, this is manufactured in China, model number, MM410C. Tamac, Transparente, 1 Pandia and USO, Horizontal, Vertical, 16N1, Cubierta de Salida Estándar, Construcción de Policarbonato de Alto Impacto que proporciona la máxima durabilidad. Sistema de montaje patentado de ajuste rápido permite la instalación en menos de un minuto, incluye junto y hardware de montaje, configuración de base con tecnología patentada knockout para ajuste personalizado. Single gang weatherproof heavy-duty universal flip cover gray finish. It has technology with a patented universal fit adapter and a patented quick fit keyhole mount installation that enables you to fit different size screws. This cover comes with a lockable tab and a spring hinge closure. The metal flat covers meet 2008 NEC standards for a horizontal or vertical mount. It has technology with a patented universal fit adapter and a patented quick fit keyhole mount installation that enables you to fit different size screws. This cover comes with a lockable tab and a spring hinge closure. Leviton 122815 amp 125 volt, duplex receptacle, with 4, metal cover. 4, metal cover fits 2 gang box, terminal screws except up to number 12 copper or copper-clad wire. Double white power contacts for maximum conductivity and plug retention. Heavy gauge, rust-resistant steel mounting strap. Total outlet. 2, shallow design for maximum wiring room. Enerlights 975503S4, nickel-plated brass hinged floor box cover. Includes 1 gang round floor box cover, flange, 20A duplex tamper, weather-resistant receptacle, watertight gaskets. Made of high-quality materials perfect for any home or business use to complement any application. Locking receptacle windows stay closed until ready to use, providing an extra measure of safety. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.